right arms like this.
Yeah.
They just go crazy. I'm telling you.
That looks like a striper, dude. That's a blue.
Yeah.
Nope. Oh, yeah. I'm on.
Yep.
Yeah. Let's go, dude. I like catching bluefish, dude. I know what, you know, I like catching bluefish.
I might boat flip this guy.
All right, boat flip him the other way, though.
You don't want him to boat flip?
I don't want him to be near my feet. Dude, doubles. Doubles. Oh, nice, dude. Easy release. Let's go.